Hello everybody, welcome to Study Bay Technologies, and in our today's session we will discuss about a few shortcuts to find a square of a two-digit number. Okay, so now let's say I'm going to take one example over here. It's like I have a number, suppose this is 29. Okay, and I'm looking to find a square of this 29 number. Fine. Now, in a traditional method, how will we proceed? It will be something like 29 multiplied by 29, right? This will be our traditional method, and according to which it like 9 into 9 is 81. Here 8 will be carried. Then 9 to the 18, and 18 plus 8, that is 26. Okay, it will be like this, and then 9 to the 18, then here we have 1 carry, 2 to the 4, 9 to the 18, we will write 8 here, 1 carry, 2 to the 4, and this will be 5. And then the output will be 1, then 8 plus 6, that is 14, 1 carry over here, then 5 plus 2, 7, and 1, 8. Okay, so this is our correct answer, right? The square of 29. And you can see here that it is taking some larger time over here, so I have to reduce the time here, that so that I can perform the square of any two-digit number in a speedy way in our competitive examinations. So let me take a few examples. It will be easy for you to understand with those examples. So let me take example number 1. Just consider this 29 only. So let's try to find out a square of a 29 number with the method that I'm going to explain you here. So under this method, do one thing. First of all, take a square of these two numbers individually. Okay, and write it like this, like 9 square is 81. Okay, and 2 square is 4. So you can write it as 0, 4. Okay. Then just as we do in a proper normal, multiplication, just put a cross sign over here at the bottom of the unit place, and then just product these two numbers. Okay, make a product of these two numbers and then multiply the same by 2. That means 9 to the 18, and 18 into 2 is 36. Just write 36 over here like this, 36. And then simply go ahead and sum it. It will be 1, 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry, and it will become 8. 4 plus 3, 7, and 1 carry, that will be 8. So you can see here the square of 29 is 841 that you find out. Just very simple method here. Let me take a few more examples so that it will be easy for you to understand. Let me take one more example over here. Example number 2. Let's say this time I'm going to take some larger number. Let's say I will take 93. Okay, let's take 93 square. Now again, what we have to do? We have to take square of these two numbers individually. That is 3 3s are 9. So I have to write it as 09. Okay, and then 9 square is 81. I will write it like this, 81. Okay, and then I have to get the product of these two numbers, that is 9 3 is 27, right? And then I have to multiply this 27 by 2. So what will be the result? Which will be 54. So just as we do in multiplication, just put a cross over here and then write 54. Okay, and the answer is, just go ahead and sum it. that is 9, 4, 6, 8. That is, the answer is 8649. So square of 93 is 8649. Right? In a similar fashion, let's see one more example so that it will be quite easy for you to remember. Let me choose a little bit thicker nib. Let's say this is the third example. Any number you can take. Let's say this time I'm going to take 47. Fine. It was something like I want to find out the square of 47. So the first step what you need to do, take a square of these two numbers individually. So 7 square is 49, right? And 4 square is 16. So just write 1649 will be the number. And now the next step what you have to do, you just have to get the product of 4 and 7, right? So 7 into 4, 28. 28. And then what is the next step? Next step is you just have to multiply this 28 by 2. Okay, what will be the result now? This is 56. Fine. Now what you need to do? Just go ahead, put a cross below the unit number, that is 9, and then write 56 over here. Right? Get the sum of the numbers, that is 9, and then 6 plus 4, that is 10. 10 means it will be 1 carry, and this will be 6 plus 5, 11, plus 1, 12, and again 1 carry, and the output is 2209. The square of 47 is 2209 here. I hope you got the concept. This is very much easy and very fast way to find the square of two-digit numbers. Remember one thing, this particular method is applicable only for two-digit numbers. In our later sessions, we will discuss about how we can find out the square of, three-digit numbers or four-digit numbers very quickly. So hope you like the video. Have a nice time ahead and take a very good care of yourself. Bye bye.